Powerful AI tools are becoming part of everyday workflows. From drafting content to building applications, generative AI is opening new ways to create, automate, and innovate. When you combine that with Google Cloud, you gain access to enterprise-grade tools designed to scale those ideas into real solutions. In the Google Cloud Introduction to Generative AI course, you'll define generative AI clearly and understand how it fits into the broader landscape of artificial intelligence and machine learning. You'll also explore how generative AI works. That includes concepts like deep learning and transformer models, which power many modern AI systems. These models process large amounts of information and use that context to generate meaningful responses. You'll see how this differs from traditional machine learning, which focuses more on prediction and classification rather than creation. Another important area is understanding different model types. Some specialize in language, others in images or code. The course introduces these variations so you can recognize which tools are best suited for different tasks. You'll also look at real-world applications. Generative AI is already being used for code generation, content creation, and workflow automation. Within Google Cloud, these capabilities are integrated into tools that support development at scale. For example, models like Google Gemini can assist with generating text, analyzing information, and supporting application development. A key part of the learning experience is understanding prompts. Prompts guide how the AI responds. Clear, well-structured prompts lead to more useful outputs. You'll also explore concepts like hallucinations, which refer to outputs that may sound convincing but require verification. This awareness helps you use AI responsibly and effectively. The course is designed as an introductory micro-learning experience. It includes short videos, reading assignments, and quizzes that make it easy to build knowledge step by step. You'll move through topics like where generative AI fits within AI, and machine learning, the role of supervised and unsupervised learning, how to leverage Google Cloud's tools for AI development. What makes this especially valuable is the connection to real tools. Google Cloud provides an environment where you can move from learning concepts to applying them. You'll develop a foundation in machine learning methods, large language models, and AI-driven workflows. These are part of broader tech trends shaping how work gets done across industries. There's also a professional benefit. Completing the course earns you a certificate that you can add to your LinkedIn profile or resume, or performance reviews. It's a clear way to show your growing expertise in AI and cloud-based systems. Let's connect this to a practical scenario. You're working on a project that requires generating reports, analyzing data, or building a simple application. With generative AI tools in Google Cloud, you can automate parts of that process, speed up development, and focus more on refining the final result. That combination of efficiency and control is what makes these tools so impactful. With the right foundation, you can use these tools to create, experiment, and build with confidence. Consider taking the next step by enrolling in the Google Cloud Introduction to Generative AI course. Check the link in the description, subscribe for more insights on AI and the future of work, and visit Coursera to continue developing your skills.